So, hello students, today we are going to learn here complement of a set. Okay, so what is called now here complement of set? Suppose the universal set is given and suppose A set is given. So, complement of set A is called here A dash. What here? A dash. So, what is called now A dash here? All the elements of U, okay, which are not in A. Okay, means the elements of A we subtract from the universal set and remaining elements we write as a dash. It is called what here? Complements of a set. So complement of set, universal set is compulsory. If universal set is not there, you can't write the complement of set. Okay, so universal set should be there to write the complement of a set. Okay, now say here definition. What here? Say U is what here? Universal set. U is what here? Universal set. And A is what here? Any set. A is what here? Any set. Then complement of set A is what? Complement of set A is denoted by what here? A dash. We denote by what here? A is the dash. Means A is the complement. A is dash means what here? A is the complement. Okay. Now A dash is what? How to find A dash? A dash is always what here? U minus A. Means all the elements of A subtract from the universal set. Okay, means all the elements of U which are not in A. Okay, that limits we write here. How we have done now? A minus B and B minus A. A minus B means what? All the elements of A which are not in B. And B minus A means what? All the elements of B which are not in A. Okay, same way here, U minus A means all the elements of U which are not in A. That's called here A its dash. Means A elements will not come. In short, in the A dash, A elements will not come. Okay, see here for example now. Okay, U is what given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, all elements from 1 to 10 is given as a basic set. Basic is what here? Universal set. And A is given here what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All the odd numbers are given there. Okay. So what is now here? A dash complement of A. See here we know that A dash is what? U minus A. So in the A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is there. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 elements will subtract from the universal set. Now how many elements left here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is what here? A dash. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is what here? A dash. Means all the elements of A subtract from U. Cancel from U. And remaining elements right here. That is called here complement of set. Okay. Suppose you are finding here B dash. B dash. Then the formula is what here? U minus B. Okay. Suppose you are finding the C dash, then what here? U minus C. Okay, all the elements of B subtract from U. Okay, remaining elements are what here? B dash means complement of B. All the elements of C subtract from U. Okay, that is called what here? C dash. Okay, means complement of C. C dash means complement of C. B dash means complement of B. Okay, and A dash means what here? Complement of A. Means in the simple word, complement means what here? All the elements of A will not come. Remaining elements of universal set. All the remaining elements of universal set, leaving A elements, is called what here? Complement of a set. Okay. So now let's see the Venn diagram how to draw here. Okay. So Venn diagram is what now here? So first of all, draw here rectangle. This full set is called universal set. This rectangle is called here universal set. In that all the elements will come. Okay. Now here what? This is circle for A. Circle for A. Leaving the portion of A, remaining portion, whatever the portion left, it is called what? A it's a dash. Okay. Leaving this element portion of A, whatever the remaining portion left here. Okay. That drawn portion is called what here? A is the dash. Okay. So in the A dash is what here? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 is what here? A is the dash. Okay. Or you can write this A dash here also. A dash. Okay. So remaining part of this rectangle, okay, is what here A dash. Leaving A, remaining part of the rectangle is called what here A dash. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is what here A dash. So in the A, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 will come, but it is not drawn. Okay, it is not drawn, only drawn what here this. So drawn part is what here A dash, and this full rectangle is called universal set. Okay, so this is the way how to draw the what here complement of a set. Okay, so in short, complement of set means what? Okay, all the elements of U which are not in A. Okay, so all the elements of A, okay, we are not taking in the complement of a set. That's called here A, it's a dash. Okay, now see here one more example of this complement of set. What is given now? See here, universal set is given as a what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the universal set there are 6 elements. Okay, this is a basic set. Okay, now see here, set A is given what? 2 and 3. In the set 2 and 3 are the elements. Okay, in the set B is what? 3, 4, 5. In the set B is what here? 3, 4, 5. And what is the question now here? Find the A union B its dash, means A union B its complement. Means now we are finding what here? Complement of A union B, means A union B its dash. So as I told you here, A dash means what? A dash means U minus A. B dash means what? U minus B. In the same way, A union B its dash is what here? U minus A union B. What here? A union B its dash is what here? U minus A union B, means from the universal set subtract these elements. Okay, so what is universal set here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and A union B is what here? A union B is what? 2, 3, 4, 5. Means A union B means all the elements of A and B. So 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so elements of A and elements of B combine and write for A union B. Already I have done that. A union B means combining the element of A and B. So 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5 combined here. Now see, from the universal set, these elements will cancel. No, from the universal set, what? 2 cancel here, 3 cancel, 4 cancel, and 5 cancel that. Okay. So all these elements cancel from this. What left now here? 1 and 6. So 1 and 6. So A union B is dash is what here? 1, 6. So from the universal set, leave these elements of A union B. Okay. Remaining elements are what? 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 is what here? A union B is dash. Okay. So got now here how to do here A union B is dash. From the universal set, subtract the A union B. A union B means combination of A and B right here, and subtract elements from B. Okay. Now let's draw here Venn diagram. Let's see here Venn diagram. Okay. So Venn diagram is what now here? All you know that how to draw A and B. A and B is what? A is there and B is here. So combination of A and B is what? A union B. But rectangle is what now? Universal set. From this universal set, subtract A union B, means leave the part of A union B. A union B का part हमें छोड़ना है. Okay, leave the part of A union B here. Remaining part, okay, is what here? A union B is dash. Okay, so whatever the part is remaining now here, it's A union B is dash. Means leaving the part of A union B, leaving the part of A union B from the universal set. Okay, is what here? A union B is the dash. Okay, so in the A union B dash what here? 1 is there and 6 is there. In the A union B dash is what? 1 and 6 is there. And in the A union B, 2, 3 is the common, 4 and 5 is in the set B. Okay, so this drawn part is called A union B is the dash. Okay, yes. Now let's see here the properties of complements of set. Okay, properties of complements of set means which are the formulas which are used in the examples. Okay, so see the first is what? A union A dash. If you combine A and A dash, all the elements of U will come. No, yes. In the A dash, all the remaining elements of U are there. In the A, its own elements are there. So if you combine the A and A dash, universal set. Means in the A dash remaining elements of A are there, and in A all elements of A are there. So if I combine that A and A dash, it will come what here? Universal set. Okay. Now second property is what here? A intersection A dash. So what is called A intersection A dash here? Common between A and A dash. So A is different only and A dash is different. If you see that A is different, in the one example, previous example we saw that A is having what? Odd elements, then A dash is having what? Even elements. So if I take here common between the odd and even elements, there is no common, so it is an empty set. This is symbol for what? Here empty set. Okay, so empty set means it is a phi. There is no element common between the A and the A dash. Okay, so therefore there is no common between A and A dash, so it's a empty. Okay, if I combine A and A dash, the universal set will come. It's a basic set will come. Okay, now third property is what now? A union B is bracket dash. Okay, if there is a A union B is bracket dash, then property is what here? A dash as this, U its dash is what? Intersection. Union का opposite क्या है? Intersection. Okay, so universal set its dash is what here? Intersection. Then it's a B dash. So A union B its dash is what here? A dash intersection B dash. Okay, and reverse is what? A intersection B its dash. Okay, means what? If A is there, A is dash is A dash. इंटरसेक्शन का अपोजिट क्या है? यूनियन. इंटरसेक्शन का अपोजिट क्या है? यूनियन. सो इन द इंटरसेक्शन यूनियन इज अपोजिट एंड बी इज डैश व्हाट हियर? बी डैश. सो ऑलवेज व्हाट? ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इट्स डैश इज व्हाट हियर? ए डैश यूनियन बी डैश. इफ इंटरसेक्शन इज देयर, यूनियन विल कम. इफ यूनियन इज देयर, इंटरसेक्शन विल कम. ओके, सो इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर? It is called what here? Complements of a set property. Okay, if there is a union, intersection, if there is an intersection, union will come. Okay, now fifth property is what? If you complement the same set two times, A dash its dash, मतलब complement का complement is what now here? Same set. A dash its dash is what here? Set A. Okay, if you do that complement two times, again the same set will come. Okay. Second is what? U its dash. Universal set का dash क्या है? So universal set minus universal set, no. U its dash is what here? Universal set minus universal set. If I subtract universal set minus universal set, empty will come, nothing will come, zero will come there. So empty means what here? Phi. Okay. So universal set minus universal set is what here? Phi. So U its dash universal set का complement is a empty set. Okay, now one more is there. Empty set is complement is what? Empty set complement means U minus phi, U minus empty set. So if you subtract the empty set from the U, again U will complement, no. For example, phi minus 0 is a phi only, no. So U minus 0 is what here? U only. So empty set its complement means U minus empty set, no. Correct. So therefore it's a U only. Okay, so empty set complement means phi dash is what here? U. Phi का dash का क्या होगा? U. U is dash is what here? Phi. U का dash क्या होगा? Phi. Okay, and A dash its dash is what here? Is. Okay, so always remember this once again properties here. A union A dash is U. A intersection A dash is a phi means empty set. A union B dash is a dash intersection B dash. If U is there, intersection will come. Okay. A intersection B dash is what? A dash union B dash. If intersection is there, union will come. And these are the basic properties are there for the complex. So these properties are very important to solve the exams. Okay. Yes. Thank you.